Running a growing Amazon business often feels exactly like managing a commercial kitchen during the dinner rush. The ticket machine never stops printing, the stove is boiling over, and everyone is moving as fast as humanly possible just to avoid total collapse. Your team feels this pressure every day. They spend hours staring at massive Q4 inventory spreadsheets, trying to calculate restock limits. Or they lose entire afternoons buried in 50-page supplier contracts, trying to find hidden fee classes. The instinct is to buy an enterprise AI subscription, give your staff access to a blank chat box, and expect those bottlenecks to disappear. But giving a stressed employee a blank AI prompt is exactly like handing a newly hired cook a pile of raw ingredients and walking away. Without a specific recipe or clear technique, the results will be wildly inconsistent. One person might get a perfect inventory forecast, while another generates absolute nonsense. The way out of this chaos is to stop relying on unstructured employee prompting. Instead, you build prepackaged, repeatable AI workflows using two specific features in Claude: projects and skills. Predictable scaling requires standardization. By locking your operational standards into the AI itself, your team members no longer have to be expert prompt engineers to produce expert-level results. Great food starts at a quiet, organized prep station. In the AI world, that preparation means establishing a baseline context, telling the AI exactly what its role is, what the task requires, and the specific rules it must follow. When your team has to manually upload your brand tone guidelines and formatting rules every single time they write a new Amazon product listing, they waste time and invite errors. Claude projects solve this by creating a permanent workspace. You upload foundational documents, like brand guidelines and supplier agreements, exactly once. From then on, Claude automatically applies those standards to every chat. The AI holds your entire rulebook in memory before anyone types a word. Once the prep work is done, you need the recipe. This is where Claude's skills come in. A skill is a packaged set of instructions that completely removes the need for your staff to figure out how to talk to the AI. A skill starts with YAML front matter, a simple configuration rule telling Claude to activate when a user types a phrase like "plan my inventory." Below sits markdown text dictating the exact sequential steps Claude must follow: fetch specs, apply brand tone, and format into HTML. Skills can also reach outside the chat window using MCPs. An MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is a secure connection that allows the AI to interact with external tools. It acts like a kitchen pantry, letting Claude pull live data directly from your Google Drive or internal databases without your staff lifting a finger. The result for your team is seamless. A staff member types one short command, and Claude executes the entire multi-step workflow exactly as you designed it. By taking the decision-making out of the prompt, Skills turn a basic chat interface into an automated execution engine. When workflows are standardized, the chaos disappears. The operation runs with precision and quiet efficiency. You see this clearly in data analysis. Your team can upload a raw CSV file, a simple text format used to store tabular spreadsheet data, and a custom skill will instruct Claude to output the analysis as an artifact. An artifact is a dedicated window in Claude that displays code, documents, or interactive graphics alongside the chat. This interactive grid shows exactly how that artifact functions. Instead of a static block of text, Claude builds a clickable matrix that visually flags specific outlier cells, allowing your team to immediately spot supply chain delays or inventory anomalies. The same precision applies to legal review. A custom skill could automatically ingest a new supplier contract, scan it against your company's specific deal breakers, redline the document, and flag liability clauses in plain English. You have successful SOPs, standard operating procedures, that detail exactly how your business should run. Packaging those procedures into Claude skills eliminates guesswork and enforces high-quality execution from every member of your team. Take your most repetitive, complex process and build your first skill. It is the direct path from a manual hustle